What are the great 5G cases here in Thailand or in Asia Pacific? And why is 5.5G so important in all the developments? But we're also going to listen to the trends in the carrier business. And I have the pleasure with me, Abel Deng. You're moved from the CEO from Thailand and you're now responsible, you're president for the Asia Pacific for the carrier business group here for Huawei. And we're here at MBBF in Thailand. You're the host. Welcome, and it's great to have us over here. Maybe you can give a short introduction from your move to president of the whole Asia Pacific region, and also explain us about the great cases that we see here.
Okay, thank you, Roland. First of all, I would like to welcome you to join MBBF in Thailand. Welcome to the beautiful Thailand.
Thank you.
Indeed, I was, and I'm still the CEO of Huawei Thailand. But meantime, I was appointed as the president of Huawei Asia Pacific carrier business since June. I would like to share with you some of the 5G use cases, maybe not only in Thailand, but also in Asia Pacific as well. Actually in Thailand, I'm quite proud for Thailand 5G development for past 2-3 years. Thailand now actually is the real leader in whole ASEAN countries in 5G territory. Starting from 2020, Thailand issued the spectrum of 5G, and then we supported, the operators to build more than 30,000 5G base stations, which is even more than the total sum of the other countries in ASEAN. More than that, we have helped the government, also the operators, to deploy a lot of 5G use cases, especially the B2B use cases, apart from the consumer part. For the 2B use cases, we have deployed like the cellular hospital, which is the world-class and maybe the first real 5G smart hospital in the Asia Pacific region. Here, we have the cellular hospital, which is the Royal Hospital in Thailand, which is very famous as well, to deploy the 5G ambulance, to also deploy the MEC into the hospital to let them to have a better latency to serve, to improve the efficiency of the network and the quality. Also, we deployed the 5G remote telemedicine as well, and also the AI-empowered, like even inventory management. Also, we have deployed the 5G unmanned vehicle for the medical supply, especially during the COVID situation. Also, we have to deploy with the Huawei Cloud for the AI diagnosis system for COVID-19, which we have the doctor improve the efficiency from like even more than 20 minutes for one case to some seconds, which greatly improved the efficiency of operations. I would like to share another case to you, which is the smart 5G factory. We work together with the Sombong factory in Asia Pacific. We replaced the robots, wired robots, with the 5G connections, which we improved a lot for the efficiency and the communications as well. And then we try to VGC to be connected with the 5G, and also to improve their communication systems with the 5G networks and MEC cloud technologies to improve their operation efficiencies.
Yeah, and so we've seen all these 5G implementations, but you're working on 5.5G, which is 10 times faster than 5G.
Yeah.
But can you explain why is this so important and what kind of new type of use case we see? We see already here some extended reality type of case, some metaverse type of cases. But what does this mean for us?
I think the 5.5G is the future. It means a lot for us as our company leaders as announced by the keynote in MBBF as well. So for my understanding, the 5G brings us 3 important futures, which is eMBB, also the machine type communication.
eMBB, you have to explain a little bit for my audience.
Okay, so enhanced MBB means we have 1 gigabps download speed, which is massive download speed, which you can enjoy a lot for like the high definition videos. So it's enhanced MBB, just much better speed than 4G. And we have also massive machine type communication, which like we can connect 5G to the robots, to the manufacturing machines. And also we have ultra and reliable low latency communication, which we do need for the future autonomous driving, but 5G is still not enough. That's why we have 5.5G. For 5.5G, we have other three most important features. The first one is real-time broadband communication. When we have the real-time broadband communication, we will bring the real ultra low latency, like the real-time latency communication. We also bring, as you said, 10 Gbps, downloading speed. With this, we'll make the real XR, like the VR, AR, I can show you in this exhibition hall as well, reliable and feasible. And we can even bring us to the metaverse, as you said, with this real-time broadband communication. The second important feature of 5.5G is the uplink-centric broadband communication. So now at 5G, we can provide maybe almost 50 megabps, the uplink, but it's still not enough for the real smart manufacturing. For especially the autonomous driving, we need a bigger uplink speed. So this future will empower us with the real uplink-centric broadband communication, which brings us a lot of more possible use cases in the future, like the real L4, L5 autonomous driving, the real smart manufacturing with like these robots talking, communication to the command center and to each other.
Great steps ahead. And you're responsible for the carrier business group. What kind of trends can we see the coming year, the coming 3 years? What's ahead of us?
I'm looking forward a lot to the future, digitalization world. We can see because of the COVID-19 situation, every country, every society is empowered more by the digital technologies. Our lifestyle, our working model, and even change the whole society operation model. So we can see for the future, the digitalization is inevitably being accelerated. For the home broadband, it's the same. As we said, the remote working, the online education is now being a habit for most of us. So the home broadband penetration rate will also be greatly improved for future years. Apart from that, I can see the government, the society, also the whole ecosystem are paying more and more attention to the digital economy development. While the telecommunication sits in the middle, in the center of digital economy. You see, the digital economy depends on two. One is connectivity, another one is computing power. Both of them are relatively, depending on the telecommunication industry. So I would like to see the telecommunication will be the foundation for the future digital economy. While the digital economy is playing more and more important role, the telecommunication industry will also be more and more vital and playing more crucial roles in this tendency.
And well positioned to take the 5 or the 5.5G type of opportunities. Abel, thanks a lot. Great insights. Thank you for watching here from Thailand, from Bangkok, from MBBF. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ronald. Thank you.
Thanks.